And at the top of this hour, we're getting some breaking news. This is regarding the Bihar Assembly elections. Now, RJD has released the list of candidates. 143 candidates have been named in the RJD list. Now, there are 3 seats on which there is a direct face-off between the allies of Mahagathbandhan, Congress and the RJD. The Congress and the RJD are at loggerheads at 3 seats. Now, one of which is Vaishali, where Ajay Kushwaha from the Congress is facing Sanjeev Kumar from the RJD. The next seat is Lalganj, where Aditya Kumar from the Congress party is at loggerheads with Shivani Shukla from the RJD. And the next is Sikandra seat, where Vinod Chaudhary is contesting from the Congress party, while Uday Narayan is contesting from the RJD. And this list is expected to get longer as there's a suspense over Kehelgaon seat. It is expected that both Congress and RJD will be at loggerheads in that seat as well. So as of now, there are 3 seats where the Congress and RJD are at loggerheads, but there are several other seats as well where other allies of the Mahagathbandhan are facing off each other. My colleague Piyush Mishra is now joining us with more details on this. Piyush, RJD has released a list of 143 candidates and 3 seats are there in which there's a direct face-off between the Congress and the RJD. What message does this send out?
Well, out of these 3 seats, Anjali, 2, Vaishali and Lalganj are the seats for which the elections are going to take place in the first phase, and the nominations have already been filed for these elections, and today is the last day to withdraw nominations. So only 1 hour is left till 3 p.m. The parties will have to withdraw nomination, the candidates will have to withdraw nomination, and if that does not happen on the seats like Lalganj and Vaishali, then we will see a direct fight between RJD and Congress on these 2 specific seats, because today is the last day of withdrawing the nomination for the first phase, and then we have October 23, which is the last day of withdrawing nomination for the remaining seats. But as of now, what is now almost clear that on at least 5 seats, Anjali, there will be a direct 1-to-1 contest between RJD and Congress. This is certainly indicating as to how the not only confusion but also fight has erupted. Open fight has now come out in open between Mahagathbandhan, where the ally partners are now contesting each other. As far as RJD is concerned, it has now released a list of 143 candidates. On the other side, the Congress party has also released a list of around 61 candidates, which is certainly indicating that on at least 5 seats there will be 1-to-1 fight between RJD and Congress, which is not a very good news for Mahagathbandhan. This is telling us how there is not only confusion but also fight which is now coming out in open as far as the Bihar Assembly elections are concerned. Now let us tell to our viewers about the seats on which a few candidates of RJD are contesting. One is Raghopur, from where Tejasvi Yadav is contesting. From Bahariganj, we have Renu Kushwaha. From Vasai, we have Abdul Subhan. Amar Pasan is contesting from Bochaiya, and then there are multiple seats on which we are now seeing how RJD has released its list. But 2 seats specifically, we are telling to our viewers, Vaishali and Lalganj, on which there is a 1-to-1 direct fight between RJD and Congress, which is certainly telling us as to how all is not well in Mahagathbandhan.
Absolutely, Piyush. Thank you so much for all those details and for that context. So all is not well within the Mahagathbandhan ahead of the elections in the state of Bihar.